600 years ago, with a soybean ground, like a phoenix from the ashes, a legend of tofu started. Qingbuchang community in Kunming, famous for its tofu. When many traditional craft skills are on the verge, local people still insist on manual production to pass down the tradition. After many processes, the soybean milk began to solidify. The tender tofu pudding is wrapped in gauze and begins to bear great pressure. The filtered water goes away drop by drop. Soybeans are reborn. Tofu is finally formed. The Qingbuchang white tofu is delicate and tender, with rich bean flavor. If being left for several days, under the action of microorganisms, it can be fermented into stinky tofu full of white fuzz. With mysterious flavor, stinky tofu brings pungent and fragrant flavors into the confrontation. Even, it is one of the leaders of the tofu banquet. Being fried with mild fire, it seems calm and soothing. When the soft surface gradually becomes golden, stinky tofu that is crisp on the outside and tender on the inside is dipped in chili powder or fermented bean curd. The aroma and taste quickly hits the nose and makes people swoon. Steam it thoroughly in a cage, adding salt, pepper, green onion, and drizzled duck oil. The steamed stinky tofu with spicy and delicate taste and duck aroma is ready. Tofu is a perfect ingredient in Chinese cuisine. Dehydrate Boletus edulis goes through boiling oil and fry tofu pieces until they turn crisp. After being stewed, natural and homemade ingredients deliver the essence of flavor, produce the unique delicacy of Yunnan. Stir-fry green pepper and tomato and add fresh-made tofu. Stew it under a fierce fire to reduce the juice. Don't tell right from wrong, just savor every taste. Tofu has a good reputation for everyone, but in the eyes of senior foodies, tofu dregs are also treasures. Stir-fry dried pepper with fennel. Tofu dregs absorb oils mixed with the spicy taste and plant aroma. It perfectly goes well with wine and rice. The tofu banquet has thousands of flavors. Go to Qingbuchang for tofu, for a local flavor for the diligent and persistent Yunnan people, for an inherited tradition, for a legend that is being created.